Okay. Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yesterday we discussed the non-standard units of measurements. Are you remembering? Non-standard
Yes.
units of measurement. And we discussed the
And
first one, the distance from the thumb finger to the small finger. What we call thumb finger to the small finger, we can call what we call the distance from thumb finger to the small finger. Hand span. Okay. The distance from our elbow to the middle finger. Cubit. Distance from elbow to the middle finger, it's cubit. And the distance from heel to the longest toe, what we call foot. Okay. Now we have one more, that is pace. P-A-C-E, pace. Pace means single step taken when walking. Single step taken when walking. The space we can use for measuring the length of the playground, length of the room and all. I will share the picture, please listen. So this we already discussed. Hand span, distance from thumb to the small finger. Cubit, it's from elbow to the middle finger. And the third one, foot, it is from heel to the longest toe. And the fourth one, today we have pace. P-A-C-E, pace. Pace means a single step taken when walking. Single step taken when walking. We can see here, you can see one measurement using pace. See the track, the length of the track. Let's count how many paces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we can say 8 paces. Okay, 8 paces. So these are the 4 non-standard units of measurements. This we already written in the notebook. Hand span, cubit, foot and pace. Okay, so let's move to the workbook.
Yes.
So take workbook. Page number 29. Workbook page number 29. Workbook part 2, page number 29.
Ma'am, page number.
29.
Ma'am, which book?
Workbook part 2. The same page I will share here.
Ma'am, page number.
29. Yes.
Ma'am, it's me, Christabel's sister. Ma'am, for that money chapter, you have given the practice questions and
For that money chapter, you had given the. Tell me. For the money chapter, there is practice questions that you have to do by yourself. Huh? Okay, Christabel.
Ma'am, page number.
Page number 29. The same page I will share here. Page number 29. All of you got the same page. Page number 29. Let's continue. Riksaji, you got it? Page number 29.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
So let's start. Swatik. So let's start. Here we have multiple choice questions. Question number 1. Choose the smallest shape among the following. Choose the smallest shape. You can see A, B, C, and D. Gayatri, which one is the smallest here? Which is the correct option? Others, please be quiet. Which one?
Option D.
Option D. Okay, option D. So please put a tick mark for option D. Write capital letter D inside the bracket.
Okay, ma'am.
So question number 2. Which of the following is the smallest? Anai, you can see the cupcake or ice cream. What is that?
That's a cupcake, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Then, which one is the smallest? Is it A, B, C, or D? Which one?
B.
B. So you can put a tick mark for B. Write capital letter B inside the bracket.
ടീച്ചർ പറയുന്നത് കേൾക്കടി അവിടെ എപ്പോ തുടങ്ങിയ ക്ലാസ്സാ എനിക്ക് ഇത്ര നേരം കിട്ടിയില്ല വേറെ
Here we have question number 3. Which of the following is the tallest lamp? Tallest. Dev Sarang, unmute and tell me. Tallest lamp. Dev Sarang, which is the tallest lamp here? Is it A, B, C, or D? Which one? Which one there, Sarang? You can't unmute. Okay, there is Sarang. Which one? A. You can put a tick mark for A, write capital letter A inside the brackets. Now, those who have completed, you can move to page number 30. Page number 30. Let's move to page number 30. Yes. Again, we have multiple choice questions. Here, question number 4. Please listen. Handspan, cubit, foot, and pace are dash units of measurement. It's given here A, non-standard, B, standard, C, both A and B, D, not. Isra Francis, what is the correct answer? Handspan, cubit, foot, and pace are dash units of measurement. Is it a non-standard or standard?
Non-standard.
Non-standard, very good. You can put a tick mark for option A, non-standard, because their body parts, it's different for different person. Option A is the correct answer. Then, question number 5. How many handspans represent the breadth of the cupboard? Dhyan Madhav, what's the answer? Option A, 3. Option B, 4. Option C, 5. Option D, 6. How many handspans? Dhyan, how many handspans? The breadth of the cupboard. Count and tell me how many handspans. You can't hear. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many handspans, Dhyan? 4. Option B, 4. Right, capital letter B inside the bracket. Now, question number 6. How many cubits is the length of the cloth? How many cubits is the length of the cloth? Reformer. Option A, 5. Option B, 6. Option C, 7. Option D, 8. Which is the correct answer, Rifa? How many cubits? Count and tell me how many cubits. 1, 2, 3, 4,
4, 5,
5. So how many cubits?
5.
Option A, 5. Write capital letter A inside the bracket.
Ten, 5.
Then we have, please mute your device. Question number 7, fill in the blanks. The breadth of the window is dash handspans. Mahadev, tell me the answer. The breadth of the window is dash handspans. How many handspans? Count and tell me.
10.
10. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can write the number 10. The breadth of the window is 10 handspans. Handspan, cubit, foot, and pace are non-standard units of measurement. Then you can see question number 5. How many handspans represent the breadth of the cupboard? Answer is 4. Then how many cubits is the length of the cloth? Answer option A, 5. Question number 7. The breadth of the window is 10 handspans. Let's move to page number 31. Page number 31. Question number 8. The width of the racetrack, just now only we count how many paces are there. The width of the racetrack is dash paces. Is that Maria? What's the answer? The width of the racetrack is dash paces. How many paces?
8.
8 paces. You can write the number 8 here. 8 paces. The width of the racetrack is dash paces. It is 8 paces. We will do like this. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 paces. Pace means it is a single step taken when walking. Let's move to number 9. The length of the box is dash handspans. Joanna Rose.
6.
Length of the box, dash handspan. Yes, 6. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can write here 6 handspans. The length of the box is 6 handspans. Here we have very short answer questions. Answer the following using the words handspan, cubit, foot, or pace. Question number 10. How will you measure the length of a classroom? Johannes, how will you measure, or which non-standard unit you will use to measure the length of the classroom? Is it handspan or cubit or foot or pace? Length of the classroom. Which one you will use? Length of the classroom or length of the room. We have handspan, cubit, foot, or pace. Which one? Yes, tell me.
4.
Foot, yes. You can use a foot or pace, no? You can use a foot or pace. So you can write here F-O-O-T, or you can write pace. P-A-C-E. Foot or pace. Foot or pace. P-A-C-E, pace.
Ma'am, the 11th question, can I?
Who is ready to read?
Isa.
Okay, Isa, read. I already asked you, that's why. Okay, anyway, you read it.
How will you
Measure
measure the weight of
Height.
height
Height. Height of a book.
of the book.
How will you measure the height of a book? Which unit you will use? Which?
Handspan.
Yeah, you can use a handspan. Good. HANDSPAN. Handspan. How will you measure the width of a bird? How will you measure the width of a bird? How will you measure the width of a bird? Huh? How will you measure the width of a bird? Here we can use cubit. 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 Now, question number 13. Which body parts are used to measure handspan, cubit, foot, and pace? Which body parts are used to measure handspan, foot, and pace? Adya Rahul, tell me the answer. Which body parts are used to measure handspan, cubit, foot, and pace? What about handspan and cubit? Which one? Which body part? Handspan and hands. No? Handspan and cubit, we use our hands. So you can write the first one, you can write hands. In bracket, you can write a handspan and cubit. Foot and pace. Rudabarna, which body part we use for foot and pace? Foot and pace. Which body part?
Handspan.
Legs. Legs we will use for foot and pace. Foot and pace. Which body parts are used to measure handspan, cubit, foot, and pace? Hands we use for handspan and cubit, legs for foot and pace. Those who have completed, you can take page number 32. So let's move to page number 32. Oh, okay. Right, Advika. So we can move to the page number 32. Yes. What about Advika? Completed? Completed. So we can move to page number 32. Question number 14. Write object.
Ma'am,
Yes.
33 and 32.
Yes.
33 and 32.
33 and 32. What is that? 33 and
Ma'am, can I read 14?
huh? What is 33 and 32?
Can I read?
Jennifer, which page number? Are you taking 32 and 33? I want page number no.
Ma'am, can
Just
I
1
read?
minute. Just 1 minute. 1 minute.
Can I read for 14th question? 32.
Let's move to 32. Page number 32. Are you all ready?
Yes, can I
Yes.
read?
Yes.
So question number 14. Yes, Christabel, please read.
Write two objects in your classroom
Whose
whose
length
length can be
measured
measured using
uh,
handspan and cubic each.
so you have to write any two objects that is in the classroom whose length can be measured using handspan or cubit. Handspan and cubit. So will you tell me two objects name? Let's write first of all handspan. Tell me two names.
Book
Yes, book we can write. The length of the book or height of the book or anything else? What about a table? It is in the classroom, no? You can write your own, no problem. Not compulsory, you have to write the same. Table, I am writing table, blackboard.
Ma'am, we can write anyone.
That you should be in the classroom, not anyone.
Okay, ma'am.
Table, blackboard.
Ma'am. Ma'am, what is the spelling of table?
Table. Table, comma, blackboard. BLACKBOARD. Board.
Ma'am, what is the spelling of that? Ma'am, Vaiga can read 5th question.
The next one, cubit. 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 What about a cubit? Any two objects name?
Cubit വെച്ച്
Door.
Or
Door.
cubit വെച്ച് desk door
one more.
school door desk ഉണ്ടോ നിങ്ങൾ school desk ഉണ്ടോ
You can write a blackboard. You can write a door. You can write window. Yes. I'm here. I'm writing window. You can write any two objects. No problem. Handspan, I wrote table and blackboard. Cubit, I wrote door and window.
Vaiga can
Ma'am,
Yes.
Can you read 14 question?
Here the assembly is going on. So too much sound is coming. So I can't hear what you are telling actually. Now question number 15. How will you measure the length of your house? Vaiga, how will you measure the length of your house? Which non-standard unit you have to use? Length of your house. You will use handspan or cubit or foot, base. Which one? You will use handspan for length of your house. Huh? Foot, yes, yes. Foot or pace we can use. Foot or pace. Foot or PACE, pace. Foot or pace. (16 and 17) that you can do at home. Height of a table, height of a door, TV, then bag, that all things you can do by yourself. So the remaining questions we will complete in the next class. Okay, we'll continue in the next class. 16 and 17 you can do by yourself. 16, 17, and also. 18 also you can do, no problem. But 18, it's ask your friend's height, max workbook. So let me stop sharing. All of you are completed.
Yes.
No.
Yes, ma'am.
No.
Yes.
No.
Be quiet.
Yes. No.